Kill if we have a matic and wave to looking at the pocket, we have a license plate, a boy ramping off red to bus it.
Big up PJable TV. Big up PJable TV. Yeah, man.
How you do, man?
Yeah, man, me just go one man place. He man say, "Mo call me back," and after he call them, and he like the phone that fucked up, man. It a malfunction. Anyhow, me no turn on and send and brighten the light. It a ring and it dark. Me nah see the thing where we push up. You know what I mean?
I same thing happen to my uncle phone.
Yeah, maybe minute the light run down. It have me nah see sitting where people. I'm only pack up. Me I get call and nah see it's something if we push up in a man. And when me send back now a different man, me I get all them something there.
One day if I touch your finger, touch it by mistake.
Oh man, me don't know Rasta, but me plug in the fucking phone and I take it up and it drag out and everybody phone me say glass man. And me I tell myself, say not you know you're careful man. That go happen to you. Your favorite bumbo cloth, you look like them Obeah the pussy cloth phone them. Me plug in the phone and take up the phone and figure say plug in and it can't right out of me and it drop at the face of blood clot. Eh?
Hey.
Me just look like a blood clot fool. Me say hot me say man. Eh?
I see everything happen to me. So my time I wonder, oh, me still have a phone, me I tell you.
Oh, we're class like you see them about over upon them, man. Because we bumbo clat when we go to people in phone glass. I say, oh, them careless and I'm seated with the phone. And that's why you don't kill people. You see nothing bad happen to them. Because I see a fucking thing at hear me and man, yo, bumbo clat, boy. Anything you're careful with, boy, bound to get fucked or ass clat.
So your phone screen crack?
You hear me say, he drag out of me and drop a mash and crack up to rascal. Eh? No, not me so.
You need a hard case for it, man.
The post phone where who no give me need more advance more on this and it in a case.
You did have a good case.
You know, keep the phone them 1 a week, the phone last the whole of me work them panning me I tell you say oh that dancing thing are taking you know. Right?
They have some phone case where they call Autobox. Me have my phone from 2019. Me have my phone. My phone drop off a leather. So my time me say yes no, he done ya now. And when me look pan it not even a scratch because I case where in.
And that then say me the world that's why me tell you say a one man ask God why me good and bad and God never answer. God say my fasting and business.
How did I ask God that?
One name Samuel, you know the prophecy.
Oh.
You must God if God make the world and he make your people of the world and he loving people and why make good and bad pan them and God never answer Samuel. But God says Samuel a fasting and business. And take up Samuel, climb up my heaven and go teach him more knowledge on top of where I so the book says only man ask God the right question and him never answer. Yeah.
I never know say
yes, out of the whole prophecy, sir. One man ask him that, right?
You believe
Samuel.
You believe that the good and the bad will exist. It will create a balance like you have to look at this on the left and it's like a scale. It's like it will create a balance. You feel say
no, but what's evil the fucking current, right? The one when you have no current, right? I have to work with the one we have current. What is this, eh? Or else you know get no signal, eh?
Exactly. Look,
so
even
one of them no good enough. One of them doing good enough. One of them doing good, have no benefit to get from one, right? And the one with the benefit, have to work with the one with no have no benefit. Why? Eh?
Look at that. And
the two of them have to combine. The two of them combine together before you can get results, sir?
That's a good analogy you just bring up a while ago with the live and the ground wire. One of them, you not get nothing funny, but one of them live and the two of them have to work together. One can't work without the other.
To rock stone, so I don't know why it is like that, brother. So in every fucking thing, money, you have counterfeit, and you have the good one where counterfeit work with it to ras, man, and push some thief to rascal, and some you can put on the food. Dog, same fucking thing.
True.
Then some of them bad to rascal, while some kind and push, donkey, everybody cow, all fucking of them. Some of them crash or rascal, and devil ones, and some kind. So in every fucking thing is good and bad, eh?
Yeah, you know, say Ag nearly take off me on one time.
Alright?
Ag nearly bite off me on one time, you know.
Them something they cross, man. Some of them are different tribe, you know. So one tribe, and some of the tribes in them terrible, they will kill your ass when certain time come around, you know.
Let me tell you,
the moon and all that.
Me and my cousin, we tie out the ag over one bush. Good look at this and for the yard. And the ag have some pig. And we have a big chaff where we have feed the ag. Where we used to feed the ag. And my cousin knows say ag them will rush me. If me try to catch one pig. But me never know. And the pig then did they feed with the mother and my cousin say, catch one pig. And me go hold the pig and I dry him. Me say, mother ag grab me and you see sir. And when me find out say I go to cut off my finger them in my mouth, they have a little hill. Me have to jump over a hill. Jump down the hill. And it touch when I ag mouth, rip me and open me, you know, man. If me never do that, him that take off me hand.
Hey, devil man. Them by now. What them say now? Who that will let this farm road is unclean for 7 days, much less eat the meat, you know. You know that prophecy say, man, when Madam Jesus cast out the 7-day blood of the man into a pen of swine, like another man have on the pen, it's fine him get mad and burst down the pen and run down the one sea ball. And John and I said the man get better. So the book say, who that will let the swine rope is unclean for 7 days, more bless eating the meat.
But remember say them the ag with Jesus did cast the devil in, you know, them drowned, you know, so I know every ag in did cast the devil in then.
But ag is ag, you know, right? One tribe is sitting on a hog, brother. Those hog is ag, you know, right? But what I'm saying, the pork is a high power germs. I eat preserved bread, bun, crackers, sardine, bully beef, mackerel, tin mackerel, cheese chips. It preserves every fucking thing on the shelf. It's the most preservative thing here. They call lard here. I preserve every fucking thing on the shelf. Yes, sir.
So
it's a high power journey, you know?
So although some people say them avoid eating pork, in some way they still eat a liquor in a cheese trick or something else.
Yeah, that's why some rats don't eat off a shelf, sir, because they know. So everything on the shelf preserved by pork, so they don't eat off a shelf, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Right now, some of them they don't eat off a shelf. They need the thing with the pan shelf, but sometimes they follow each other and some of them blood need it and them body run down, you know, but they go a doctor. Doctor will all told them, say, no, you must eat salt, man, and eat a little meat, protein into meat for you, right? And blood sample to this thing. Blood sample to this thing, right? So some blood definitely is allergic to flesh, you know, right? Some blood need the flesh, right? So that's why we need to know what blood sample you produce before eating things. What would see you don't good for me, understand?
True. Why some people love fight so much? Them quick to fight anything, they no walk away from a confrontation. Them is very confrontational. and the first thing of a fight, throw a fist. Why some people is like that?
No, then I'm there tell us you're 12 tendency people, friend. And you have to know to adjust yourself to people, man. You don't walk and expect to get one action for everybody, you know. People, there are lots of 12 different tendency people. So we have to know people's tendency and adjust yourself to them. It will cause fuss. We lost our culture down here, you know, friend. That's why so much fuss and fight. People, the real culture, what to dedicate them that they live happy and live loving. The enemies stole it away. And then teach them their culture, what we must believe into violence, you see, and they can't perform what they don't learn after. What they learn, they had to manifest, you see. So different tendency people, yes, sir. So they don't walk around and try to get everybody think the same, right? Yeah, you know, so sometimes you have to give away your rights, you know, to hear what people saying, you know it's wrong, but to prevent confusion, that's how your rights go on his side, just to less confusion, you got me?
That's true, man. Missy,
yeah, you know better, but if you try to get him over, him not when he come, him his own thinking and his own way, so I have to just learn that and just switch and give him his support then, right? And then we will go get along, don't?
So fans that turn it away right now, so?
Oh, yes. That's what happens if you see people stupid, you don't join him.
That's true, man.
Yeah, because people funny, you know, brother. And some people difficult we can't solve problem with them. When problem occur, they will express on top of the voice and the aggressive way and drive leaving you too, you know. But if they just take it easy, just talk normal, right? Just like how we're talking here and all that, you see. But they gone on top of the voice and think to cuss and all that and make matters worse, man.
Do you like when people raise them voice at you?
Problem can't solve problem, friend. Right? I say you mustn't express yourself the aggressive way. It isn't good for you nor no one. Yeah?
True.
When you're going to express yourself the aggressive way, it must be occasionally. It must be cause, you know, a reason make you do something. But ordinarily, you don't propaganda.
Yeah.